Hello students, how are you all? I hope all you are doing well. Students, today we are going to start writing work of class 6 history chapter 1, and chapter 1 is what, where, how and when. All right students, and today we have to start from question number 2. Okay, yesterday we have written matchings and word meaning. All right, so today we will start from question number 2, and students, it's a second video of first chapter. All right, so let's start students. Be ready with your black pen and blue pen. As usual, you know very well about we have to write questions with black pen, okay, and answers with blue pen. So let's start. So I'm writing question number 2. At first we will write here questions and answer. Okay, questions and answer. So question number 2, as you know, question number 1 is match the following we have written yesterday. Okay, so this time we will write question number 2, and the question is list one major difference, difference. Okay, list one major difference between between manuscript, 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 scripts and inscriptions. Okay, and inscriptions. Most important question, students, it says, and very good question. We have to tell one major difference between manuscript and inscriptions. All right, manuscripts and inscription. So students, as you know, in the chapter I have explained to you about the manuscript and inscriptions. Manuscripts पांडुलिपि, inscriptions अभिलेख. Okay, inscriptions अभिलेख. तो क्या होता है manuscript? It is a written documents by hand. Okay, ये ऐसे लिखित ओल्ड दस्तावेज होते हैं, डॉक्यूमेंट्स होते हैं जो हाथों से लिखा जाता है, जिनको कोई प्रिंटिंग प्रेस यूज़ नहीं होती, इसमें हाथों के द्वारा लिखा जाता है, बहुत पुराने दस्तावेज, प्राचीन ग्रंथ होता है. एंड इंस्क्रिप्शंस इज व्हाट? इंस्क्रिप्शंस क्या होते हैं? ये होते हैं अभिलेख. इंस्क्रिप्शंस क्या होते हैं? अभिलेख, जिनको किसी हार्ड सरफेस पर, हार्ड सरफेस लाइक मेटल, स्टोन, रॉक, ओके, तो इनमें कार्व किया जाता है, उनको लिखा जाता है. वी कैन से दैट राइटिंग इनग्रेव्ड ऑन पिलर, रॉक्स, कॉपर और अदर मेटेलिक प्लेट्स. ओके, सो दीज आर कॉल्ड इंस्क्रिप्शंस. ओके, सो राइट आंसर handwritten book, hand HAND, hand, written WRIITEN, handwritten book or handwritten book or a piece, PIECE, handwritten book or a piece of literary work, LITERARY, literary work, WORK. Okay, handwritten book or a piece of literary work or material, 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 or material, is called handwritten book or a piece of a literary work or material is called manuscript. Okay, manuscript. script, script, all right, manuscript. While writing engraves, while writing, writing, while writing, writings engraved, engraved, okay, while writing engraved on pillars, rocks, copper, okay, engraved. So write down, while writing engraved on pillars, pillars, on pillars, rocks, 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 copper, okay, copper, copper, okay, copper, copper, or other metallic plates, okay students, कोई भी metal की plates like iron, copper, metallic plates, etc. Metallic plates, etc. are called inscriptions, are called inscription, inscriptions, inscriptions, okay. So handwritten book or a piece of literary work or material is called manuscript, while writing engraved on pillars, rocks, copper or other metallic plates etc. are called inscriptions, okay. तो manuscripts क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स, हाथों के द्वारा लिखी गई बहुत पुरानी पुस्तक, ग्रंथ, ओके, वो क्या कहलाता है, पांडुलिपि कहलाता है, मैन्यूस्क्रिप्ट कहलाता है। और पिलर्स में, स्तंभों में, खंभों में, चट्टानों में, लोहे या कॉपर की हार्ड प्लेट्स में कोई चीज़ को इनग्रेव्ड कर कर, कोई संदेश को, कोई पिक्चर्स को, कोई मैसेज, कुछ भी उसको इनग्रेव्ड करना यानी किसी नुकीली चीज़ से नक्काशी करके लिखना क्या कहलाता है, इंस्क्रिप्शंस यानी अभिलेख कहलाता है। ऑलराइट स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड वी विल राइट, question number third, okay, question third. So students, take your book and look, where is question number third? Yes, it is. Let's discuss, and it's the part of let's discuss. Written to Rasida's questions. Can you think of some answers to it? Okay, तो रसीदा के अगर क्वेश्चंस देखे जाएं तो क्या आप उसके आंसर्स दे सकते हैं? All right. So we will discuss later when our school will reopen. This time we will write this answer. All right, students. तो हमें इस क्वेश्चन को करना है क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड. So write with black pen, and students keep it mind, it's a question number third from let's discuss. All right, it's a discuss portions, but this time you are not in your classroom, so we will discuss later. This time you can write answer, okay. So write down, written to, RETURN, written to Rashida, RASHEEDA, Rashida's apostrophe S, question, QUESTION, Rashida question. Can you think, CAN, can, YOU, can you think, can you think of some answer, can you think of some answers to it, okay. Can you think of some answers to it? All right, so write down answer of this question. So we will write answer number third, okay. So here students, yes, I can think of some answers to it. Just like number one, we can learn about past by studying history. And second, history will help us understand how this present evolved. It will tell us about the past of the present. Alright, so write down, yes, I think, yes, I think Yes, I think. Yes, I think of some answers to it. Yes, I think of some answers. Okay, some answers. ANSWER. Some answer. Yes, I think of some answers to it. Okay, with some answers, just like number one, we can learn. We can learn. LEARN. We can learn about past by. About past. We can learn about past by studying history. Okay. STUDYING. Studying हिस्ट्री. ओके, इससे हम क्या सीख पाए कि हिस्ट्री के बारे में, हमारे अतीत के घटनाओं के बारे में. ओके, एंड second one is that history will help us. HISTORY. History will help us. HELP. Help us understand. Help us understand. Okay, how this present. Understand how this present evolved. Okay, how this present evolved. EVOLVED. ओके, इतिहास हमें मदद करता है यह समझाने में कि वर्तमान का विकास कैसे हुआ. ओके, एंड इट विल टेल अस अबाउट द पास्ट ऑफ द प्रेजेंट. एंड इट विल tell us about the past of the present. About the past of the present. All right, students. Now question number 4. Okay, question number 4. So let's see what's the question number 4. Here, okay, make a list of all the objects that archaeologists may find. Which of these could be made of stone? Okay, here we have to make a list of all the objects. जो भी आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट को मिला, पुरातत्वविद को जो जो चीज़ें मिली उसकी हमें सूची बनानी है. Which of these could be made of stone? Okay, और उनमें से जो पत्थर की बनी हुई चीज़ें थी वे कौन कौन सी थी. So write down, student, question number 4. Okay. Make a list. MAKE. Make a list. Make a list of all the objects. Of all the objects. Make a list of all the objects that archaeologists. ARCHAEOLOGIST. Archaeologists may be. Okay, archaeologists may find. Okay, may find. Which of these could be made of. COULD. Could be made of stone. Okay, could be made of stone. So make a list of all the objects that archaeologists may find. Which of these could be made of stone? Okay, students. So archaeologists study the remains of buildings made of stone and bricks that have survived, paintings and sculpture. So write down, students. Answer: archaeologist. ARCHAEOLOGISTS. Archaeologists study. Archaeologists study the remains of the remains of buildings, buildings, buildings made of stones, buildings made of stone, okay, stones and bricks, bricks, made of stones and bricks that have survived, okay, survived, that have survived. Paintings, paintings, paintings and, okay, paintings and sculpture, sculpture, sculptures, okay, पेंटिंग्स और मूर्तियाँ, ओके, मूर्ति कलाएं. दे फाइंड tools, tools, they find tools, weapons, 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 pots, pots, pots. Next, pens, pans, pens. Ornaments, ornaments, okay. Ornaments, ornaments, ornaments and coins, okay. Ornaments and coins, 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 ornaments and coins. And second one, students, some of them may be made of stone, others, others, okay, out of bones, others out of bones, bones, out of bones, okay. And baked clay, okay, पकी हुई मिट्टी and सेकी हुई मिट्टी, baked of clay, clays, clays means काली मिट्टी, okay, baked of clay, okay, baked of clays. Yeah, students, baked clays, all right, baked of clays and metals, okay, and metals, metal, metal. So some of them may be made of stone, others out of bones, baked clays and metal, okay, baked clays and metals. All right, students, so it's the answer of a list of all the objects that archaeologists may find. Which of these could be made of stone? All right, now next question, students, question number 5, okay. So write down question number 5. And what's the question number 5? As you can see here, why do you think ordinary man and woman did not generally keep records of what they did? All right. So write down कि क्या आप सोचते हैं, आप क्यों सोचते हो कि जो ऑर्डिनरी मैन एंड वुमेन थे, जो साधारण पुरुष और महिलाएं थी, वे जनरली सामान्यतया कोई भी रिकॉर्ड नहीं रखते थे, ओके. सो क्यों नहीं वे रखते थे? सो राइट डाउन. First we have to write question, okay. First we have to write question, and the question is, why do you think, why, why do you think, why do you think, D-O-do, Y-O-U, why do you think, okay. Why do you think ordinary man, ordinary, Why do you think ordinary man and woman WEOMEN women did not generally did not generally 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 keep records keep records RECORDS keep records of what they did ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो हमें यहाँ पर बताना है कि हम क्या सोचते हैं कि क्यों सामान्य महिला और पुरुष सामान्यतया अपने कार्यों का रिकॉर्ड क्यों नहीं रखते थे, क्वेश्चन मार्क। ओके, नाउ राइट आंसर्स। सो एज यू नो स्टूडेंट्स, क्यों नहीं रखते थे? क्योंकि क्या था स्टूडेंट, एट द फर्स्ट रीजन इज दैट दे डिड नॉट नो द आर्ट ऑफ राइटिंग इन द बिगिनिंग। सबसे पहले तो जो मेन इशू था वो था कि उनको लिखना नहीं आता था। ठीक है, वे क्या थे, बहुत ज़्यादा इंटेलिजेंट या मीन्स कह सकते हैं कि वे लिटरेट नहीं थे। ओके, एंड सेकेंड वन इज दैट सम ऑफ देम वर नॉट लिटरेट इवन आफ्टर द नॉलेज ऑफ द स्क्रिप्ट। ऑलराइट, एंड हम और कह सकते हैं कि दे वर नॉट having interest in such work. Most important factor it is. Okay, so write down, we think ordinary man, ORDINARY, we think ordinary man and woman did not generally keep GENERALLY generally keep records of what what they did due to following reason. Okay, REASON, due to following reason. And what's the following reason, students? Number one, simple, they did not know the art of writing in the beginning. So write down first, they did not know the art of writing in the beginning. The art of writing, WRITING, the art of writing in the beginning. All right, in the beginning, BEGINING. Okay, first one reason, BINNING. Okay, students, BEGINNING, beginning. All right, and second one reason, even some of them, EVEN, even some of them, were were not literate, LITERATE. Okay, even some of them were not literate even after the knowledge of the knowledge of the KNOWLEDGE, knowledge of the script, SCRIPT, knowledge of the script. Alright, students, and number third reason is that they were not having interest in such work. They were not having, HAVING, they were not having interest, INTEREST E-R-E-S-T. Okay, interest in such work. Interest in such work. All right, they were not having interest in such work. And next is they do not know the importance of keeping records of the events. Okay, so write down they do not know the importance they do not know the importance of keeping records of the events. Okay, so they do not know the importance of keeping records of the events. The lack of historical sense was mainly responsible for it. Okay, so you can write the lack of historical, HISTORICAL, the lack of historical sense, sense, watch, okay, watch, mainly, 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 responsible, RESPONSIBLE, responsible for it. Alright students, so they do not know the importance of keeping records of the events. The lack of historical sense was mainly responsible for it. Alright, so this question is finished now. Now next question students, it's a question number 6. Okay, question number 6, as you can see, describe at least 2 ways in which you think the lives of kings would have been different from those of farmers. All right, so write down, describe question number 6. All right, describe, DESCRIBE, describe at least 2 ways. Describe at least 2 ways in which you think the lives of king, okay, the lives of kings, KINGS, the lives of kings would have been, WOULD, would have been, HAVE, would have been different from, DIFFERENT, different from those of, different from, THOSE, from those of farmers, FARMERS. So describe at least 2 ways in which you think the lives of kings would have been different from those of farmers. All right, so write down students answer of this question. So describe, okay, we have to describe students. So the kings used to live in palaces, okay, or big houses, and the farmers used to live in huts or in a very small houses. This is the 2 ways in which we think the lives of kings would have been different, okay, from the farmers. तो हम किन्हीं 2 तरीके से हम बताएंगे कि कैसे राजा का जीवन और फार्मर के जीवन में अंतर था. तो सबसे पहला रीज़न तो उनका रेजिडेंस था, ओके, उनका हैबिटेंट्स मीन्स कहाँ जहाँ पर वे रहते थे, वही सबसे बड़ा उनका रीज़न था कि डिफरेंस होने का. सो द किंग्स, नंबर 1 रीज़न, द kings used, KINGS, the kings used, USED, used to live in palaces. ओके, महलों में राजा रहते थे, PALACES, पैलेसेस, और बिग हाउसेस. ओके, महलों में या बड़े बड़े घरों में राजा रहते थे, बिग हाउसेस. ओके, एंड द फार्मर्स यूज्ड टू लिव इन हट्स. ओके, एंड द farmer, FARMER. Okay, farmers used to live, farmer used to live in huts, या तो वे झोपड़ियों में रहते थे या फिर और इन वेरी स्मॉल हाउसेस, और इन वेरी small houses. All right, and second one, student, second one point, the kings were dependent for their food on farmers. Okay, the kings were dependent, DEPENDENT, dependent for their food, dependent for their food on farmers. Okay, on farmers, and the farmers used to produce. Okay, used to produce, yes, used to produce food for themselves, produce food for themselves and other people also. Okay, and other people, PEOPLE, and other people also. All right, student. And the third point is the kings were showy and costly clothes and ornaments. Okay, so the kings wear सोवी. ओके, बहुत सुंदर, सो करने वाले सोवी, एंड कॉस्टली, कीमती, एंड COSTLY, कॉस्टली, क्लोथ्स, CLOTHES, क्लोथ्स, एंड ornaments. Okay, so the kings wear showy and costly clothes and ornaments, whereas farmers were simple. Okay, and the farmers, FARMERS, farmers wear simple, 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 and very चीप क्लॉथ्स. ओके, बहुत ही सस्ते कपड़े वे पहनते थे. कौन? फार्मर्स. तो ये सारे डिफरेंसेस थे. पहला डिफरेंसेस स्टूडेंट्स, एज यू कैन सी, पहला तो उनके हाउस को लेके, पैलेसेस को लेके डिफरेंस था. सेकंड, द किंग्स वर डिपेंडेंट फॉर देयर फूड ऑन फार्मर्स एंड फार्मर यूज्ड टू produce food for themselves and other people also. Okay, and third one जो था, the kings were showy and costly clothes, जो राजा थे वे बहुत ही कीमती और दिखलावटी ऑर्नामेंट्स, गहने वगैरह पहनते थे. एंड द फार्मर्स, जो किसान वर्ग था, वह बहुत ही साधारण और सस्ते कपड़े पहनता था. ये तो क्या था? डिफरेंस था. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ टुडे क्लास इज ओवर. I will be back tomorrow with next questions of let's do. Okay students, so till then, bye bye, take care, have a nice day students.